Welcome you all to a new episode of second year higher secondary mathematics classes. Our chapter is chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. We have studied limit at a point and continuity at a point C. Continuity at a point. A function y equal to f of x is said to be continuous at a point x equal to c if first point f of c is defined. Second, limit x tends to c f of x exists. Third, limit x tends to c f of x equal to f of c. That is f of c, value of the function exists and defined. Second condition, left limit of f of x and right limit of f of x both exists and finite and they are equal. Then we say that limit x tends to c f of x exists. Third condition means limit value equal to value of the function. Then we say that the function y equal to f of x is said to be continuous at the point x equal to c. Continuous function. If the function y equal to f of x is continuous in the entire domain, we say that the function is continuous. If the function is continuous at every point in the domain, we say that it is a continuous function. Discontinuity. First, limit x tends to c f of x not equal to f of c. That is, left limit of f of x and right limit of f of x exists and equal, but not equal to f of c. Then this discontinuity is called removable discontinuity. After removing the value of f of c and change it as that of limit x tends to c, the discontinuity is removed and become a continuous function. Second, limit x tends to c f of x does not exist. That is, left limit and right limit exists but not equal. Also, f of c may or may not be equal to left limit or right limit. That is, limit x tends to c f of x does not exist. This discontinuity is called discontinuity of first kind. Third, limit x tends to c minus f of x or limit x tends to c plus f of x does not exist or infinite. F of c may or may not exist. This discontinuity is called discontinuity of second kind. Three types of discontinuous functions. Question number 1. Show that f of x equal to 2x plus 3 is continuous at x equal to 1. Here, f of x equal to 2x plus 3 is a polynomial function, and we know that polynomial function is continuous, or it is a straight line with a slope 2 and y-intercept 3. Straight line is always continuous and no break. Hence, our function is continuous. But we have to check or prove the function is continuous at the point 1 only. For this, we have to find the value of the function at the point x equal to 1, that is f of 1, and the limit value of the function at the point x equal to 1, that is limit x tends to 1 f of x. Here we did not find left hand limit and right hand limit separately. This is because on the left part of 1 and on the right part of 1, the function is same, so that these two limits are equal. F of 1, that is value of the function. Direct substitution, 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 5. Limit x tends to 1, f of x equal to limit x tends to 1, 2x plus 3 equal to 2 into 1 plus 3 equal to 5. Limit value equal to 5, value of the function equal to 5. Therefore, limit x tends to 1, f of x equal to f of 1. Therefore, the function is continuous at x equal to 1. For more clarification, we draw the graph of the function. In the function, put x equal to 0. We get y equal to 3. And put y equal to 0. We get x equal to minus 3 by 2. That is, it is a line which passes through 0, 3 and minus 3 by 2, 0. Or a straight line with slope 2 and y-intercept 3. At x equal to 1, y-coordinate is 5. That is, f of 1 equal to 5. Also, left-hand limit of 1 is 5. Similarly, right-hand limit of 1 is 5. That is, as x approaches to 1 from left side of 1 or a value less than 1, the value of f of x approaches to 5. Similarly, as x approaches to 1 from right side of 1 or a value greater than 1, the value of f of x approaches to 5. In the same way, we can prove the function is continuous at any point in the domain. But our question is to check the continuity at x equal to 1 only, and hence we restrict at 1 only. Question number 2. Check the continuity of f of x. F of x equal to set x cube plus 3 if x not equal to 0, 1 if x equal to 0 at x equal to 0. Answer. We have to check the continuity of f of x at x equal to 0. For this, we have to find the value of the function at x equal to 0 and the limit value at x equal to 0. That is, limit x tends to 0 f of x. Here, we did not find left hand limit and right hand limit separately. This is because on the left side and right side of 0, the function is same, that is x cube plus 3. For f of x equal to x cube plus 3 for all values of x except at x equal to 0. Therefore, limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is same as limit x tends to 0 plus f of x. That is, left limit is same as right limit of f of x at the point x equal to 0. F of 0 equal to 1. Limit x tends to 0, f of x equal to limit x tends to 0, x cube plus 3 equal to 0 cube plus 3 equal to 3. Limit x tends to 0, f of x not equal to f of 0. F of 0 equal to 1, limit to value equal to 3. Therefore, the function is not continuous at x equal to 0. For more clarification, we draw the graph of the function f of x. We know the shape of f of x equal to x cube. This graph f of x equal to x cube plus 3 is a graph 3 units up to that of f of x equal to x cube. This graph has a break at 0, 3. When x equal to 0, y coordinate is 1. That is, the graph contains the point 0, 1 also. In other words, we can say f of x equal to x cube plus 3 for all values of x except at x equal to 0. Limit value is 3. Value is, or value of the function is 1. That is, the function is not continuous. It is a removable discontinuity at 0. The important point is that for less than 0, the function is a polynomial and it is a continuous function. For greater than 0 also, the function is a polynomial and it is continuous. Hence, we can conclude that this is a continuous function except at 0 only.